So friends, many of my friends ask me how to study English for bank SSC and railway examination. Friends, having taken experience of English coaching from around 10 teachers of renowned institutes like KD Campus, Bankas Adda, Career Launcher, BSc Academy and Paramount, and having scored 180 out of 200 marks in SSC CGL Mains Examination 2019 and 32 out of 40 marks in IBPS PO Mains Examination 2019. I will discuss with you the proper strategy and the right approach to study English. Friends, you will find many good teachers of math coaching, of reasoning coaching and of general awareness coaching. But few good teachers is only available for English coaching. So after taking experience of all the coaching, I realized that whatever I have learned is because of my self-study. Because in English there is no trick, so coaching is not required. But still, if you have made up your mind to take coaching of English, then go to British Council or in Lingua. Basically, they are a spoken English coaching, but they have best faculty which teach grammar, spoken English and English language. Now English is divided into two sections: reading section, language section and grammar. To keep this video short and concise, I will discuss the strategy to study grammar section only. So this is the grammar. This is my grammar book of Lucent publication. This book have 39 chapters, from among which 22 chapters are of grammar. So studying grammar you will require 4 time revision. Just read the first chapter and come up to last chapter. Then go back to first chapter and revise. Do this thing for 3 more times, so that you revise it for 4 times. After revising it for 4 times, you will get good command on your grammar section. The second thing I want to tell you that focus on 80% of the marks, because to secure 80% of the marks only 20% of effort is required, and to secure top 20% it requires more effort. So focus on 80% of the marks. There is no need to do mastery over particular single subject. Rather, focus on 80% of the marks, combining all the subjects together, which is more than sufficient to get a good post in SSC CGL examination or qualify bank or railway examination. Now I will discuss a strategy to study first chapter. So first chapter is syntax. It has 82 rules. If you will look on grammar, English grammar has more than 1000 rules. And if you look on past trend, each and every rule is important. Question has been asked from each and every rule in last 5 years. So skipping any rule is not a solution. You will have to remember all the rules. Now, is it possible to remember 1000 plus rule? The answer is no. But friend, remember one thing. Around 800 rules are not rules. They are just common sense. Only 200 rules are rules which you can call rule in real sense. So I will tell you how to remember those 200 rules. The first thing is that read the chapter, come on the rule, read the rule, try to understand it and try to find out why it happens. Suppose in rule number 1 it is mentioned that singular subject takes singular verb. It is a common sense about which I was telling you earlier in this video. It is not a rule, it is just a common sense. When you talk about a single person, the verb should be singular. Just try to read it, understand it and try to find out why it happens. Come to next rule. Suppose in rule 15 it is given that each, every, either, neither takes singular noun, singular verb. Now try to find out why it happens. The solution is given here. So this is because they are distributive adjective. Distributive adjective denote one thing from many things, and when you talk about one thing, the verb should be singular. Suppose if I read rule number 9, the strategy should be just read the rule, understand it, and find out why it happens. So in rule 9 it is given that when two singular noun is connected with and, verb should be singular. Now try to find out, use your common sense. When you connect two singular things with and, it becomes plural, and when the subject is plural, verb should be plural. Likewise, read all the rule, understand it, and do remember to find out why this happens. This is most beneficial thing. If you try to find out the answer why it happens by using your common sense, it will be highly beneficial to you. Now after reading all the rules, come to the exercise section. Suppose I come on first question. 20 miles are a long way to walk. Try to find out error. If you don't find out error, look on the solution. In solution it is given that are will not be there, it will be is. Now try to find out according to which rule it happens. When you search back, go back to the chapter, search for the rule. After searching, you will find that in rule 44 it is mentioned that when any plural noun is considered as a certain distance, certain weight, the verb should be singular. Now two things happens. First thing that I have been remembering this rule before, and second thing that I have forgotten this rule. If you have forgotten this rule, then just mention rule number after the question, so that when again you revise this chapter, you don't require to search for that rule. Just see 44 and go back to the rule number 44. By doing so, all the rules will automatically get remembered. This is the best part what I was trying to explain in this video. This is the correct strategy. By doing so, all the rules will automatically get remembered. You will not require any extra effort while reading the rule. Now the question is that for doing this, to solve one question, it will require 2 to 3 minutes. Friends, just tell me one thing. When you are beginner and you are studying math or reasoning, in solving one question, you take 2 to 3 minutes. So give 2 to 3 minutes in English also. It is no exception. For solving one or two questions, 2 to 3 minutes is required. Do that. Go back to the chapter, find out the rule, and mention rule number in last question, so that again when you revise, you just look on rule and correct it. Suppose I am reading question number 4. Neither India nor Pakistan have yet acquired the capability to produce nuclear weapon. Now I was knowing that neither is distributed adjective, so it takes singular verb. So if I was knowing it, so don't need to search. So there is no need to search the rule. Search for the rule. Go to the next question, question number 5. If I have not been knowing that rule, then search for the rule, mention the rule number, and solve the next question. Do this for all the questions and solve this exercise, and adopt similar strategy, similar approach on next chapter also. Friends, just remember, complete all the chapters of the grammar and then do revision work. Some students start revising one chapter again and again, then they move on second chapter. If you do so, then you will not complete your syllabus before examination. Just read all the chapter and then come back to the first chapter and revise it. So this is the correct strategy to study grammar. In next video, I will discuss about all the study material which you will require to study language section and how to study language section.